How to find advanced store settings on Bigcommerce easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find it easy and quick. First open your browser and then once you're here go to settings, and here we'll find Bigcommerce settings. Now scroll down until you find miscellaneous, or you can just type it here, and here we'll find it. Click on it. Now scroll down until you find advanced store settings, and as you see here you can manage it, and you can allow purchasing, and you can disallow it, and then just click save. I hope that can help you, and that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.